Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm out here in the barn, got the Dange with me over there. Danger! Oh hey buddy. And what I'm going to do today is I have a brake bias proportioner and I'm going to add it in after my line lock. So what this is going to do is it's basically going to get, or I'm going to add it in after my hydro, and what that's going to do is it's basically going to give me like a line lock. It's not going to be a complete line lock, but I'll be able to drastically reduce the pressure to the rear brakes so that I'll be able to at least like favor the front if I want to do burnouts and smoke shows and stuff like that. It will also help correct the fact that I now have E36 brakes, which the calipers and the rotors and stuff, they aren't sized for the master cylinder that's in the car. So the front to rear proportioning is probably going to be off, at least from what I've read. So this will make it so that I can also adjust my proportioning to be in the proper spot for other driving also. So I'll get started now. I just got like a little chunk of brake line right here. I have my Summit proportioning valve. These are a couple 8th to AN3 fittings. These are AN3 females with the knurl. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut an end of this, and or maybe both ends even, depends on what I end up having to do to fit it into my AN hose. But I'm going to cut this and thread it into the hose so that I can run the hydro just right into the brakes. Anyways, here we go. Alright, so I'm in the car now. I have my proportioning valve. As you can see, I bent the brake line into the correct position. I have it all made up with the correct ends on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unhook this braided line. I'm going to install this so it kind of sits on there and hangs over the side of the hydro. And then this braided line is going to go into the other side of the proportioning valve. Should be pretty easy. Alright, so I got that all installed. It's pretty easy. It's like really cool 10-minute mod. And there you go. It looks like it'll be pretty accessible. So you're kind of just hanging out there on the side of the hydro. Looking snazzy. Alright, so installed the brake proportioner. Should help a lot with my brakes. That's pretty much all I'm going to do for today. Kind of a short video, but I hope you guys liked it. Watch my other stuff. You can get me on Instagram at Laristocrat, and have a nice day.